Hi, everybody. Just wanted to go over the information for week number 6, quarter 1. So before class, as always, check your inbox here in Canvas for any emails from me, and also check announcements because I normally will post the weekly assignments in announcements. So if you click on announcements, you'll see week number 6, quarter 1. So if you are in the Monday, Wednesday class, you have 2 assignments due on Monday, 2 assignments due on Wednesday. If you're in the Tuesday, Thursday, those get moved to 2 assignments Tuesday and 2 assignments on Thursday. You have an ab curl test this week, and for the Monday, Wednesday kids, it's due on Thursday. For the Tuesday, Thursday, it's due Friday. You'll see the announcements and the dates set in your class. And then I will go over each of the assignments again. This week is going to be very similar to last week. It seemed to go pretty well. I didn't have too many problems with anyone completing assignments, so you guys are doing a really, really good job. I'm super happy about how things are going so far. So let me jump over into modules, but just a reminder, always check here. I color code the assignments, so when they're due, blue's Monday or Monday/Tuesday, green is Wednesday/Thursday, and then you've got the purple one that you've got pretty much 4 days to complete. So if we go to modules, you're going to see once again that the module is locked. Okay, when you cannot click on, you try to click on these light gray tabs, they won't open up, and it's because you have to watch the instructional video in order to go to the next tab. Okay, so if we click on the instructional video, which will be posted in your module, you're going to watch this video that I'm making now. And then when you go back to modules, everything opens up. Okay, so just want to go over each of the files. So how to perform the physical fitness curl up test. You're going to watch this instructional video. Okay, once you watch this video, it kind of indicates how to set up the test, how to perform the test. I've also posted the curl up cadence, and it's just going to play similar to what the push-ups did. It's going to tell you up, down, and count 1, and keep going, so on. If you don't have anybody to hold your feet, it's okay. Usually, because you're not going up as far with the curl ups, you can probably just leave your feet straight on the ground, or just if you don't feel comfortable with that, tuck them under a couch or like a chair, something that will help you keep your feet steady. And then what you're going to do after that is you will go into, once you do your test, you're going to be able to submit it here. It is locked until Monday, so there will be a blue button that pops up, and you do not have to record a video to me, just submit your score. So if you did 75, awesome, type in 75. If you only could do 20, that's okay, type in 20. I just want to know a starting point for you guys of where you're at. Okay, curl up scores will be a lot better than push up scores. I know some scores varied last week. Some kids couldn't do any push-ups, while some did very well. And I just kind of want a starting point so you guys can have an idea of where you are and where you need to be. So that test is due, like I said, for Monday, Wednesday kids, it's due on Thursday. And if you're in the Thursday class, it's due on Friday. So for the fitness logbook, it's the same. It's going to be the same setup as last week. So the fitness logbook is going to be set up similar to last week. You're going to go through last week's the discussion from 2 weeks ago that your classmates posted workouts on, and you're going to select a workout from the discussion board, and then you're going to write your name under the reply so you can claim it, and that's worth 5 points. And then once you do their workout, you're going to submit to me right here in the submit assignment box what the workout was called. Hopefully it had a name, who created the workout, so which classmate did it, how long did the workout actually take you to do. So although your classmate might have said this workout's going to take 30 minutes, I want to know how long it actually took you. And then the rate of perceived exertion, so how difficult was your workout, and that's worth 2 points. So you don't have to video record yourself doing it unless you'd like to, that's fine, but all you have to do is just submit these items here in the submission assignment box along with claiming your workout on the discussion board to get your full credit for the 10 points. And just a reminder how you can get to the discussion board, there's 2 ways. So when you click on discussion board, it will take you to the exercise research discussion board. right here. And I had a few people email me that they could not get access to this. It wasn't opening up, and that's probably because you did not click on anything in your week 4 module. If you go to your week 4 module, for those of you that haven't been doing your work, if you notice, I'm in student view, so you'll see that I didn't click on the week 5 module, so everything here is locked. But if you click on week 4 module and you open up and watch the video, all the files will open up, and then you'll have access to the discussion board. So it's really important to keep up with your activities. So jump back over to discussions. So if I click on discussion board, it takes me straight to the discussion from 2 weeks ago from week 4, and then I can go through everybody's discussion. I can look at their workouts, and then I can just put my name on there and claim one. Okay, so all I would do is find a workout, and then I could just hit reply, and then I could just put my name. So I'm just going to put test student, and then enter, post reply. So test student is going to be doing this workout. Okay, so for this particular activity, last week I said you guys had to do no more than 2 people can sign up for a workout. This week, I don't care if you want to sign up. If more than 2 people already have their name on there and you want to sign up for a particular workout, you want to try it, go for it. That's fine. There's no limit on how many people can sign up. So if everybody likes one person in particular's workout, that's fine. Just please make sure that you are replying on the discussion and that you submit the information on Fitness Logbook 3. The next assignment you guys have is a quiz. So I've included a reading file. And if you ever want to have a bigger view of this, always click on the white title up above, and it'll open it up to the full page if you want. So you're going to just read the benefits of reading, and then once you've finished with that, going to click back over to your module, and you can take your quiz. Okay, once again, the quiz is 30 minutes in duration, so make sure that you provide enough time for yourself to take the quiz. Don't try to take it right before another class is starting, because once you click on it to start it, the 30-minute countdown begins, and if you don't have it completed, it'll just submit whatever you have already answered. If you didn't answer anything, then it's going to submit as a 0, and as a reminder, I will not reset quizzes. Okay, so then the next day for Wednesday's activities, you guys have your normal mile day. So if we click on this assignment here, sorry, I had to unlock it. So if I click on cardiovascular day number 4, the instructions are run a minimum of 1 mile, track it on your cellular device, screenshot the completed run. If you're using Nike Run, make sure you're sharing the route on your Nike feed. If you're not sure how to do that, I did provide a file in your module on how to share the route on your Nike feed. If you're using Strava, the cool thing is it automatically goes straight to your feed. And then you're going to submit the screenshot into the assignment submission box. So take a photo of your workout. You're going to come here. You're going to submit the file here and hit submit. Do not email me your workout. I will not accept that, and I will not grade it. So I can't emphasize enough. Do not email me this workout. Okay, make sure that you're submitting it in the submit assignment box. That's how I can grade everything. Okay, if you are running indoors, same things, rules apply. Take a selfie with your treadmill screen, your full name. Make sure you either take a picture or provide a post-it next to the dashboard with your name, your date, word of the week this week is workout. Each of these are this is worth 2 points, 1 point, 1 point. And then on your dashboard, I need to see distance and I need to see time. Okay, some of you guys are just submitting me treadmill photos with just distance or time. If it's on the same screen and you have to toggle between screens, then send me 2 photos, one that shows me the distance and one that shows me the time to get your full credit. Okay, make sure you guys are doing this. And then once again, if you're doing Metaconda, you're just going to upload a 10-minute workout video of you doing that workout. If I moved the Metaconda to the timer and everything into the how-to videos of the module, so I'm going to leave this. So if I scroll down, there should be a how-to section. how-to videos. So we got the Metaconda instructional video and the timer. So if you need to use those, I put them there. Okay. And then here's some files: how to use a Strava app, how to use the Nike Run Club app, and then how to share your run should be in, I believe, week 3. How to add your instructor. For those of you that are using Nike, there should be a file that says how to share your route onto Nike. So that is the assignment for the mile day. And then our last project for Wednesday/Thursday is going to be exercise research project number 2. So very similar to what you already did a couple weeks ago. So this week you're going to research a new topic. So pick a different topic than what you've already done. Choose one of the following exercise topics from the list below to research. So it must be different from what you've already done. Write a minimum of 2 paragraphs about it. Okay. A lot of you guys are just sending me like 3 sentences and I'm grading you down. So make sure you're reading the instructions clearly. Okay. If it says 2 paragraphs, make sure you're giving me 2 paragraphs. Okay. Here are your topics that you can write about this week. Okay. CrossFit, weight training, HIIT training, Hatha yoga, Vinyasa yoga, aerobics, Pilates, plyometrics, and circuit training. So these are your options. Okay. I want to see 2 well-written paragraphs letting me know the following items. If you want to add more, that's fine, but here's just some things to think about. What's the activity? How do you do it? Where did it originate? Talk about its history. How old is the fitness activity? What types of equipment or does the exercise activity require, if any at all? Typically, how long is the workout? And and then also don't worry about making a workout. We're going to do that next week like we did for the first project, and then you'll post that on discussion board. Okay, so just make sure you're answering these first 5. Okay, and then in order to submit the assignment, you can write it on a different file, and then you can upload it. Or if you want to write it straight into the upload box, you're just going to click this, and then you'll be able to upload the file onto to the assignment submission box. Okay, and those are your projects for this week. Let me jump back over to make sure I've covered everything. So yes, I went over the curl up test. You have your fitness logbook, so you're picking another workout from a classmate. You're doing your quiz, and then on Wednesday/Thursday, you're going to do your mile, and then you're going to do your 2 paragraphs about a new topic. So those are your assignments for this week, very similar to last week. You have, like always, if you have any questions, email me here in inbox, or you can always send me a message through chat. But just a reminder, if it is a personal message, don't send it through chat because the entire class can see it. If you have any questions, though, please feel free to reach out. Thank you. Have a good day.